How to delete multiple Snapchat messages or conversations at once. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can delete multiple Snapchat messages or conversations at once in one go. Now, open the Snapchat and make sure you are logged into your account. Here, once you open, you'll get an interface like this. Now, if you tap on the message icon that you can find on the bottom of your screen, you'll get all the chats. Now, here you can delete chats randomly, but to delete all at once, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon that you can find on the top left of the screen. Now, once here, you'll get an settings icon on the top right of the screen. Tap on it, and if you scroll down, here you'll get the option Clear Conversation on Account Actions. Now, click on it, and here you'll get all the chat list. Now here, you'll be able to clear all the conversation at once without having to go at the profile one by one. Hope this helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.